Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Friday, January 13th, 2023.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Today's breakfast is a breakfast bagel, juice, and fruit. Today's lunch is a hot dog, potato wedges, coleslaw, fruit, and juice.
Today's weather is a high of 54, low of 32, partly cloudy, and a 2% chance of rain.
Today's birthday is Kingston.
Today's announcements. Please help us by teaching, modeling, and enforcing the expectations in the cafeteria. We have placed cups on all tables for you to use as a visual to your students. After 15 minutes of being in the cafeteria, including your time in line, flip your cup to green and your students may whisper. If they are not using quiet voices, flip back to red. Continue to reinforce these expectations. Hallway and restrooms. Students should be silent during transition times and when visiting restrooms. Continue to monitor restrooms and make sure that the appropriate behavior is being displayed. Uniforms. Remind students of our uniform policy, particularly outerwear and shoes. Only school-approved outerwear should be worn once they're inside the building. If you need an additional copy of the uniform policy to highlight and send home with a student, they are located in the office. Please put a uniform reminder in your communication to parents as well. Today's lay duty is Miss Arch.
Important dates. Today is an ACAP meeting during PE for grades 2nd through 5th. January 16th is Martin Luther King holiday, no school. January 17th, report cards.
January 20th, 100-day of school. January 27th, honor walk. January 30th, faculty meeting. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. March 7th, spring pictures. Send us your questions. We are still looking for questions of the day. You can submit them in the box in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday.